Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you my whole perfume collection. So I recently did a video sharing with you my favorite perfumes that I own. So I kind of figured it'd be fun to show you just like my whole entire collection and briefly talk about the perfumes that I have, what I like about them, what I don't really like too much about them. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump on into the video. We're gonna start things off with this Daisy Oh So Fresh perfume. I really like the smell. I actually haven't used it in a while, but I really like how sweet this one smells. The packaging is super cute. I really like the color of all the flowers. So this one smells really good. It used to be one of my favorites, and this is the second time that I purchased this one. So I kind of think that the reason why this one didn't make it to my favorites is maybe I just kind of burnt myself out on this one. So I don't think I'll be purchasing this one again for a while, even though I do enjoy the smell of this one. And then the next perfume that I have is this one. This is actually by Ariana Grande. I actually think the bottle is really, really cute. I wish that this sprayed, so you could just, you know, spray yourself and feel extra bougie with that. I think Britney Spears used to have one like that. I'm not too sure. But this one is, like I said, by Ariana Grande. And this one smells really good. It actually kind of smells like cotton candy to me. It smells really, really sweet. However, the smell is just not long lasting at all. Yeah, it's like the only downfall to this, but I do really like the smell. My favorite types of perfume are sweet scents. It's just what I gravitate more towards. It's what I like, it's what I enjoy. So this one smells really good, but if you're looking for a long lasting scent, this is not the perfume you should go for. And then next we have this Moschino Fresh perfume. Now, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. The only reason why I bought this is because of the way that it looks. And I actually thought that the cap was how you sprayed it on. So imagine my disappointment when I realized that you have to do this. And you just have your average typical spritzer. So I thought that was kind of like a bummer. I really think that this would have probably taken the perfume to another level if I really, you know, if I was really spraying Windex. Well, not Windex, if I was really spraying perfume like a Windex. I think that the look of this is really cool. It obviously looks like Windex. And this is in the scent Fresh Couture. However, when I smell it, I don't really get like a fresh type of vibe. I get more of like, it's more musky than fresh to me. It does smell good though. I bought this one blindly, like I said, only based on how it looked is why I bought it. I do use it, as you can see. Yeah, it's just not my favorite of the bunch. Next, we have this one by Gucci. This is Flora by Gucci. This one smells good too. This is just a really, really strong scent. Like you definitely just spray yourself once and you're really good to go. It's super long lasting, but like I said, it is really strong. That's why I've only used so little of it. So that is one of the good things with this perfume, is that it's so strong that you literally just need to spray yourself once and you are set. But the smell is just really, really strong. It smells really musky. And I don't know, I guess you should look at what like undertones this has in the perfume. And it smells good. It's definitely different than anything that I do own. Okay, so then the next perfume that I have is this one by Versace. I'm not even gonna attempt to pronounce the name because I will butcher it, but this is what the bottle looks like. This one is another one. This one's, wow, I just said that floral one was really similar, but now that I'm sitting here smelling them back to back, this one actually kind of reminds me a little bit of the Flora by Gucci with that strong musky smell. This one does smell good. This one and the floral one, to me, in my opinion, are more like evening smells. So like if you're going out on a date, like your date night with your hubby or something, then I feel like that's when I would probably wear these more, just based on how they smell. Yeah, they do smell good, just really strong. Oh, and this next one that I have here is this one by Juicy Couture. This is called For Lala. This one smells really nice. God, like I said, if you haven't seen my favorites video where I talk about perfumes, I should have said this right off the bat. I am really horrible at describing scents. So please forgive me for that. I'm just trying to like take a whiff of this and try to describe the smell, and it's really, really hard to do that. But this one does smell really nice. I've just had this one for a while, and I'm gonna be super honest with you. I actually think that it might be time to maybe throw this one away. It doesn't really smell as good as it did when I first got it. I used it quite a bit. I almost finished the bottle, so I definitely liked it. But yeah, I think that's why I didn't choose it to be in my favorites. And then the next one that we have is this one. It's by Marc Jacobs. It's in the scent Daisy Dream. This one smells really good too. A lot of his stuff has like that rosy, like a clean type smell. I don't know. It's pleasant. Okay, and last but not least, we have this one by YSL. This is Black Opium. I think this one might be the most unique perfume that I own. I like this one. I like the bottle of this one a lot. It kind of reminds me of a flask. This is another one that I purchased online just based on the reviews. When I was online shopping for perfumes, I loaded all the perfumes on the webpage, and then I sorted them by highly rated, you know, by customers. And this one was number one. And when I read what type of undertones are in here, it's like vanilla and coffee. I was like, huh, that's gonna be interesting. I can definitely smell the vanilla in here. And I do get just like a tiny, 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 tiny scent of the coffee. This is another one that with just one, maybe if you're daring, 2 sprays, and you're good. This one is a super long lasting fragrance. I do like that about this. But if you're not a fan of vanilla and you're really not a fan of coffee, then you might want to just steer clear of this one. But if you love vanilla and you love coffee, then you will love Black Opium. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. That is the whole collection. So I didn't include the ones that I talked about in my favorites perfume. I will link that video down in the description for you to check out if you haven't already. And with those and with these perfumes is my whole entire perfume collection. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below which fragrance was your favorite, or let me know some of your favorites, because I'm always down to check out new perfumes. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Like if I go on a date or whatever with my little hubby. Oh, I didn't mean little hubby. I know, I'm sorry, love. You're not little. I got dust in my mouth. Oh, wait, we didn't do a thumbnail. Oh, I like the Ariana Grande one, something. Oh my god. You have a lot. That was dumb. Why did I do that?